hanep ha. Looking good. Very far dun sa last time.
I know.
Parang principal yung last time eh.
Ay, estudyante.
Oo,
Feeling lang yun.
ngayon estudyante. Oh. Ikaw
Experiment.
kasi yung buena mano. Ikaw yung
Oh, yeah. Tama nga
nagbinyag.
naman.
Diba? Ikaw yung nagbinyag kaya
Yes.
kapa muna lahat. But eventually,
Yes.
and hopefully, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Get it better next time.
Yep.
Ang hirap kapag ano ka na,
Mm-mm.
65 ka na.
Oh my gosh. Kaya
Oo,
nga yung pag-uusapan natin tungkol sa women's health, 'di ba?
yun. Yeah.
Yun.
Yun.
Lalo na mga
Doon tayo naputol eh. Oo.
oo,
Oo.
50 years old na ako ngayon. I know it's hard to believe that, pero
With your looks now,
importante.
it's hard to believe. But with the Miss Tapia
Yes.
look,
Yeah, I know.
with
Miss
the Miss
Tapia,
Tapia and the
kasi pag
principal
nag-office
look,
ka lang talaga,
ah, pero
pag
ngayon,
malapit kasi sa akin,
grabe
hindi ko na
ah.
makita eh.
Oo, parang
What?
ano. Ngayon, grabe, parang nagpasalon ka sa Beverly Hills.
Hindi. Salon? Hindi. Alam mo,
Oh,
yung
yeah.
sikreto dyan,
Galing
you
ha?
just have to iron your hair. That's it. Plancha
Really?
lang yan.
Try ko nga rin. I-iron my hair din. Kausap ko po si Lumin. Ayan, yan. Ang wais sa paglalaba. Ayan.
Ewan ko lang kung gaano kawais, pero
Wais na
I'm
wais,
still
di
here.
ba? Like yung mga tips na binigay mo nung like first part natin, di ba?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Na-enjoy ko nga eh. And parang, actually, it's easier said than done.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like kung kinukwento mo, di ba, parang simple lang, mukhang
Yeah.
chill lang, pero alam ko, napakahirap eh.
Yeah. Lalo na kapag, kasi maraming dahilan kung bakit ka lilipat ng ibang bansa. Marriage, iba rin ang usapan. Single ka and you found a job,
Yeah.
iba rin ang topic. So it really has a different dynamics.
Yeah.
Ako kasi I got married and then it's a two different cultures in one home. So
Mm.
parang iba yung pumunta ka ng Amerika pero kayong Pilipino, iba
Yeah.
rin iba yung kultura ng kasambahay mo na you have
Yeah.
to like understand yung culture niya.
Mm.
Syempre, I left the Philippines, I was 38 years old na. So,
Mm.
imaginein mo, 38 years na akong na-mold ng bansa natin, yung ways natin, Pinoy na Pinoy ako, Bisaya pa ako, I'm a proud Cagayan de Oro
Ayun, no?
citizen.
Ay, nako, ang dami natin viewers na ano.
Yes, I am, nako, I can speak Bisaya, but I just don't wanna isolate others that are from Bicol, so,
O,
magta-Tagish na lang tayo.
isang malupit na ano. Oo nga,
Ay,
actually, nakakatuwa kasi ang ano eh.
maayong adlaw sa kaninyong tanan, taga Misamis Oriental, Cagayan de Oro, Cebu, Davao, tanan mo diha, maayong adlaw.
Ang lambing na ano. Actually, parang Ilongga eh, no? Like the way
Yes,
you say it, diba? Kala
yes,
ko kasi like you're gonna say it with the like yung matigas na ano eh, na accent. Hindi
actually I
na eh,
don't know
no?
if I
Parang
ever
siguro na, or like, yeah, parang you never had it before.
I don't think
Diba? Parang
I left Cagayan
malambing
de
lang.
Oro, I was 7 years old, menen. So,
That's
laki na
why.
akong
Yeah.
Maynila, oo.
So,
7 years old ako, pero
kabalo pero
I
dili ano.
dili malintan, no. I don't think I wanted to forget my native tongue because I always visit Cagayan de Oro when I was a kid growing up. Laging yung visit ko sa lolo't lola ko, I always visit them during summer breaks.
Mhm.
Tapos I lived there for a whole year before I went to the States to
Actually,
reconnect.
maraming ano, daghang
Mhm.
gwapa sa CDO.
Yeah, I
Oo.
believe the Philippines alone, we are very talented people, not just by the looks, but also
Oo
great
naman.
singers, great,
Hindi
yeah,
naman, nasasayang nga yung
beauty
mga talent,
queens.
di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi hindi
Mhm.
nagamit ng maayos dito sa ano natin. Naku,
Yes,
mamaya kung
absolutely.
saan topic tayo mapunta, di ba?
I know.
Oo,
Stick
oo.
na lang
Let's
tayo.
just go back dun
Yeah.
sa ano, like, kung
Mhm.
saan tayo naputol, di ba? Like you were saying.
Yeah.
And parang buti nga ngayon, marami nang aware dun sa, before kasi, like, napag-usapan namin ni Commander. Sabi ko kasi like yung parang menopause, ang dating niyan parang feeling ko lang the way I look at it, parang kung sa lalaki, yan yung pag dehins na numonongga yung ano, di ba? Si Junior. So pag hindi
That's
na,
just one of it.
di ba? Like pag hindi
That's
na
just one
tumatayo
part.
si Junior, pero like yan yung usual na nangyayari sa mga lalaki.
Counterpart,
And
yeah.
parang sa
Mhm.
kanila, like sa amin, feeling ko most of the guys ayaw nilang tanggapin eh. Eh, di ba darating naman talaga dyan whether you like it or not. Di
It's
ba?
just human
Una-una lang
nature.
yan, di ba?
Mhm.
Oo.
Yeah.
So parang
We just have to
siguro,
accept it.
yes, and like,
Mm-mm.
parang paano mong i-handle, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
nila minsan yun ang sukatan ng pagkalalaki. The way I see it,
Yeah.
di ba?
Mhm.
Parang pag hindi na tumatayo si ano, yung bandila, eh parang
Yeah.
ba, hindi ka na lalaki. Parang I don't look at it
Mhm.
that way, di ba?
No, I don't either. It's just a human body. It's meant to decay eventually, 'di ba? Doon naman tayo
Yeah.
sa lupa mapupunta.
Oo.
So,
Kaya,
in my mind,
oo,
I
ikaw.
actually had a hard time accepting that I was going through hormonal changes. Kasi sabi ko, it started kasi I was 48. Kasi imagine, sabi ko, yeah, 48 nag-start siya. It took a while bago nag-full bloom. Pero I saw signs already na I'm getting hot flushes. I'm getting irritated with things that patient naman akong tao eh. But why sometimes na parang ayokong gumising ng umaga, parang hindi ako morning person. Sometimes it just affects my appetite. Minsan there are times I wouldn't eat. For
Dami,
me, that was the biggest, yeah, it's hard. It's hard. Parang I didn't understand. So I talked to my doctor, tapos pinaka-clincher sa lahat is the blood test. Doon makikita lahat. Saan ka
Ah,
deficient?
ah,
Anong kulang ng dugo mo?
aha.
Kulang ka ba ng vitamin D, magnesium, lahat niyan. So if you're not eating, you're not getting any nutrients. Kahit mag-vitamins ka, your vitamins will not go anywhere. Eh, wala siyang
Yeah.
carrier. Wala kang
Mm.
fat na kinakain, wala kang protein. So, hindi ko naman alam yun eh. In fact, if I knew, I didn't think it in my brain. Kasi
Mm.
'di ba, busy ka sa mga buhay-buhay, hindi mo naiisip yung sarili mo kasi
Yeah.
ganun ang usual parent eh. Parents tayo, una natin iniisip our
Sila.
kids.
Oo, sila muna.
Sila
Sila
lagi,
palagi.
asawa
Huli ka,
mo, tapos
syempre.
yung mga anak mo. Huli tayo
Yeah,
palagi.
oo.
So,
You're the last to jump
so
ship.
yeah. And then napansin ng asawa ko na parang, what's going on? Is there a problem? So sabi ko, I have to sit you down para naman fair. Ayoko isipin niya siya yung may problema. Kasi hindi eh. And it's
Yeah.
okay to say that we need to reset. Meaning, I need to understand and accept muna. Kasi acceptance is key. At first, parang, no, hindi. This is just a phase.
Yeah.
Hindi siya phase. Kasi your blood work tells everything. No, you
Mhm.
need to feed your body with the right stuff.
Mm.
So, ayun na, I started talking to my spouse, tapos nag-uusap na kami na, okay, if this is what's going on, I just need to change. Kasi meron tayong two ways of supplementing that in the natural way
Mhm.
and the hormone therapy treatment.
Ah.
Tinry ko yung HRT na kumbaga tinatawag na HRT hormone treatment, pero synthetic siya. Hindi yun nag-work sa akin. Parang
Oh.
wala lang, parang placebo effect. So
Oh.
I tried I think we talked about this before. I tried the natural way. At first, I cooked, like the beef organs, yung beef liver.
Uh-huh.
Maganda pala sa katawan yun, lalo na sa mga menopause like me. But
So,
I can't
parang
get
yan
over
ba
the
yung mga
taste
soup
eh.
number 5, ganon?
I think so. I think
Di
that could
ba?
be part of it.
Yeah, so like parang
Organs eh. Pag
it
sinabing beef
works
organs,
both ways
organ yun.
pala.
It's good for you pala. So,
Oh, so soup number 5 is good.
yes. But I can't get over the taste of liver. Hindi ko kaya ng ganun. I
Oh.
probably didn't cook it good enough like my yaya does back in the day.
Mhm.
Yung mga yaya ko kasi sarap magluto, yung mga
First take.
taga Visayas.
Uy, dami
Napakasarap magluto,
tayo.
hindi ko dami kayo. I mean, I have yayas from Cebu, from Ilonggo, from Iloilo rather, and
Oh,
then from
Patoy.
Cagayan de Oro. So they bring in their master dishes.
Oh,
And as a
specialties.
kid, 'di ba?
Uh-huh.
Healthy lahat. Hindi ko
Wow.
naman kasi magaya. So, nag-supplement na lang ako, but it works. So, parang kailangan natin na i-accept number one, na gano'n talaga, we're aging,
Mhm.
we have to take care of ourselves, talk to our spouse, talk to somebody. If you need to talk to a counselor dahil sobrang na-affect na yung married life mo,
Hmm.
if you need to talk to someone, kailangan ng mental health din eh.
Ah.
Um,
So would
and
you
it's
say
not a
like
joke.
parang pwedeng pagmulan din yan ng ano,
Yes,
misunderstanding,
yes.
ba?
People resent each other without understanding that this can be fixed if there's communication. And
Hmm.
it can be solved. We just need to find the right tools. If I needed to step back, I will sometimes my husband's kind enough na to sleep in the guest room just to give me some time to reset
Mhm.
hanggang sa okay na ako ulit, and then he'll come and be with me, but
Ah, really?
it took
Parang
me a while.
oh, there's moments like
Yeah. There is, and don't be ashamed
ah,
about it. If you need to reset, don't be ashamed. Then don't take it against your wife or your spouse. Kasi ang guys may andropause eh. That's their version. That's your
yeah.
guys' version. You can go through things,
Mhm.
chemical imbalance. Kaya importante talaga what we eat, cupcake. Importante
Really?
talaga what we eat. Mm-mm. Kung
Ah,
hindi ka balance kumain, kung if you eat junk all the time, it doesn't feed your cells. 'Di ba?
oh.
Pero sa totoo lang, because I live here in the States for almost 11 years na,
Uh-huh.
mas healthy pa rin yung kinakakain natin, cupcake. Kasi tayo, fresh yung food natin.
Yeah.
If you are a Filipino who eats from scratch, like tatadtad ka ng sibuyas,
Oh, I think you like
you
love
know,
cooking, di ba? Pero
yeah,
if you
like
go for
nilaga and
fast foods,
from
patay.
scratch, then you are eating well. Wag lang naman in excess. Kung kain ka naman lechong kawali every week and hindi naman siguro healthy yun, cupcake.
Yeah.
Lalo na pag meron kang heart problem, di ba, cupcake?
Present.
No. Kaya nga eh, wag ganun. Kasi
Present.
ako din guilty. Guilty ako if I go to a Filipino party at may lechon kawali, present din ako. Eh di yung
Ah.
blood work ko, taas ng cholesterol ko. So, hindi namimili ang cholesterol kung anong size mo eh. It's your
Oo,
blood.
yeah.
It's your
Oo. Yung iba kala, parang pagpayat sila, di ba? Okay lang. Oh.
That's not what happens. So yeah, eating right, getting enough sleep, talking to your spouse, like it's okay to find a time to reconnect. Kasi kung meron kang medical issue, importante talaga communication eh, above all.
Oh.
Because if you care about your spouse, you want to understand what the person's going through, di ba?
Mhm.
So, also keep in touch with your doctor. May mga tao kasi ayaw magdoktor eh. Ayaw pumunta
Present.
ng medical appointment. Ayan,
Present.
cupcake.
Actually,
Present ka
siguro,
nga dyan
oo.
mag-TikTok, pero yung medical appointment mo.
Oo, siguro parang yan yung isang thing eh. Kaya rin siguro ako na-atake dahil hindi ako ano eh. Like feeling ko before I
Yeah.
can do, 'di ba, heavy weights sa gym. I can
Mm-hmm.
go biking like as far as Pangasinan, Baguio, Batangas. So parang feeling ko,
Yeah.
'di ba, ba't ko kailangan magpa-check up? Healthy ako. That's what I thought.
Yes. That's normal.
Oo, 'di ba
Ako din,
parang
ganyan ako
learning
before.
experience and 'di ba parang siguro lesson na rin para sa iba, 'di ba na parang
Mm-hmm.
doesn't go that way, 'di ba?
Right.
Better checkups every now and then.
Yeah, sa amin naman, I used to be a police security officer sa company that I work with. It was random. You have to get, parang you cannot go without a checkup every 6 months. Kailan kasi you're in a healthy
Ah,
condition. Like
sabagay. Yeah,
you're
yeah, yeah. For you to be like,
lagi kang,
parang ano, into security.
mm, kailangan healthy ka, wala kang problema, ganyan-ganyan. So, that started it eh. Dito kasi libre yung checkup, annual checkup, kasama na sa health package mo if you're getting a healthcare insurance, kasama na yung once a year wellness check. And wellness check, you have no choice but to give blood, give a sample, check na lahat. O ikaw, kulang ka sa magnesium, ikaw, kulang ka ng vitamin D. So lahat yun nakikita if your
Yan ang,
cholesterol is
so
high.
going back, parang how do you handle it? Like pag mga dumarating yung mga intimate moments, di ba? Di
Oh,
ba parang hindi naman lahat, pero di ba kadalasan parang pino-point out ng lalaki parang pag gusto, di ba kailangan hindi pwedeng tanggihan eh. Parang ganyan yung reasoning nila eh.
so here's in my situation. For example, I found a supplement that works. I found one. I won't mention the name because I'm not endorsing it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's made of beef organs. Then I tried it. Nagulat na lang ako that it changed everything in 24 hours.
Oh,
So
that's
pag
fast.
ganun ha?
That's
Ganun
fast. Hanip,
kabilis.
huh? 24 hours?
What 24 hours, it changed my moods. Hindi na ako parang siraulo na, yung alam mo yung comforter na parang hot, cold, hindi mo alam anong gagawin. Masisiraan ka na ulo na pala. Ang init, tapos bigla ang lamig.
Oh,
I can't even tell you how crazy it is na nagsusnow sa labas, tapos parang ang init-init na hindi mo maintindihan. And
oh.
then, parang gusto mo ikaw lang yung nasa bed, na
Mm.
parang ayaw mong may katabi. Ganun eh, minsan.
Oh,
And that changed for me in 24 hours. So pag ganun na medyo okay ka na, bumawi ka na sa spouse mo. Doon ka na parang bumawi na, okay, since things are getting better, I want to make up for lost time.
ah,
Like, kasi you're married to your best friend, you're one flesh. So,
yeah.
so kailangan maging fair ka naman kasi your spouse, they have needs. You
Mm.
have to also naman be fair enough na ma-met yun. Kasi, di ba, if you are married, you're together, you're one body.
Yeah.
So, kailangan hindi mo siya i-deprive because it's just not what husband and wives are meant to be. So, di ba, nakasulat nga sa Bible you become one flesh. So kung ganun man na nakakuha ka na ng improvement from whatever supplements that work for you, whether it's beef organ supplements or HRT na synthetic progesterone and estrogen treatment, then tell your spouse that, hey, I think I'm feeling much better. Simple joys, little victories,
Mm.
and then that will improve your relationship because expectations are met and you are bonding and you are reconnecting with each other. Kasi importante yun eh. Kasi pag hindi kayo okay as a couple, it will reflect how you treat other people, your children, your work. Alam mo, mahirap yun eh. And then you're walking on eggshells. And that's not what I want for our relationship. Diba? We owe it to our children to always be happy. Maikli lang ang buhay eh. Hindi ko masasabi na next week buhay pa ako. We don't know.
Yeah,
We don't know
yeah,
na we get hit by a truck or
yeah.
bigla ka na lang
Actually,
may
never know.
cancer, na may taning ka na. We don't know that. Hindi mo
Yeah.
alam na atikihin
Oh,
ka sa puso one night and then you're gone.
correct.
So value every day like it's your last. So if I can make it up to my spouse after a few hours of feeling better, then I'll make it up to him.
What
So
if it's the
importante
other way
talaga
around?
communication.
What if it's
Ha?
the other way around? Like parang, di
It's the
ba,
same thing.
if parang like you're in the mood, tapos di ba parang like he's dead tired or something, di ba?
It happens. It
Yeah.
happens. It
Oo,
happens. Yeah.
ba?
So in that conversation that it did happen. So
Mm.
normal yun sa mag-asawa, 'di ba? Hindi naman perfect. Wala namang perfect marriage. It works both ways, Cupcake. It works both ways.
Ah,
But the bottom line is communication. Importante
oo.
talaga 'yun. Tsaka wag mahihiya na magsabi na kulang ako dito or I need help, asking for help doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're a
Yeah.
human
Yes,
being
yes,
and
totoo.
we're all imperfect
Di
people.
ba?
There's so many factors, hindi naman pwedeng isang sagot lang eh. Kasi you have to consider genetics.
Yeah.
You have to consider the heredity, what was passed on to you by your descendants,
Yes.
ancestors,
Yeah.
rather.
Actually,
So
just
hindi
like
mo
mine.
alam yung mga binigay
Mm.
sa atin ng mga magulang natin, hindi natin
Oo.
alam yun eh. Isa
Oo.
isa yun sa mga aspects, no? At second is our lifestyle. And then kung hindi tayo healthy na tao, and then also stress. People don't consider stress as part of it, but it is a very big part of it. A person who doesn't take a day off and all he does is work, 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 and doesn't eat right, he doesn't sleep right, it will eventually catch up to him.
Oh.
God will still take care of everything eh. Kahit
Yeah.
ano mangyari, si God pa rin mananatili. So praying,
Very true.
knowing that God is in control will make you feel better.
Yes. Amen to
Kasi
that.
mahirap eh. Lahat ng bagay stress ka, di ba? It's very important to really understand first how you react, kung allergic ka sa mga gamot, and how you behave after. Like anong nararamdaman mo. You need to talk to someone you trust. That's the bottom line. If
Yeah.
it's not your spouse, somebody close to you that you trust. It's very important na may hinihingan ka ng yung sama na loob or kung ano man ang nasa puso mo. Kasi
Bigat.
hindi siya healthy na
Kinikimkim.
lahat. Not healthy at all.
Oh.
Not very good for your heart. And then pray. People
Yeah.
don't think prayer's
Just
not
keep on
important.
praying.
It's so good.
Yes.
It helps your heart and soul talaga.
That's true.
Malaking tulong ang dasal ako. Iba na ngayon ang prayers natin, Cupcake, talagang pang
Oh.
seryosohan. Enjoy life. Simple things. Doesn't have to be expensive.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
yun ang sikreto sa buhay. Is you learning how to accept problems, finding how to find joy in the little things,
Yeah.
learning from mistakes. Acceptance also is a key.
And salute
Yeah,
sa'yo
so
kasi iba ka. Idol ka, idol. At the same time, inspirasyon ka. Hindi lang sa
I hope
paglalaba.
I hope so.
Ayan.
Sa lahat ng mga Cupcake dyan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And proud ako na nakakausap ko si Senior Cupcake. And wishing you all the best. I hope to see you this Christmas. God bless.
Uy, thank you
Okay.
again, Cupcake. Oo.
Of course, anytime. Senyor.
Sa
Senior
ulitin,
Cupcake, I like that.
Oo nga eh, huwag kang magsasawa ah.
Yes, of course, I'm just here.
Oo. Okay, thank you so much, Cupcake. I'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.